Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade hummus, step by step. First, let's prepare our chickpeas. Begin by soaking 1 cup of dried chickpeas overnight in plenty of water. This rehydrates them and helps with cooking. The next day, drain them and cook until very tender, which usually takes about 90 minutes. This extended cooking time is key for achieving that wonderfully smooth, creamy texture we all love. Now, let's create the flavorful base for our hummus. In your food processor, combine 1/2 cup of good quality tahini with 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Next, add 2 cloves of minced garlic and a generous pinch of salt. Process these ingredients together for about 1 minute. You'll notice the mixture will become lighter in color and develop a wonderfully fluffy, almost whipped consistency. This is exactly what we want. With our tahini base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Add your tender, cooked chickpeas to the food processor with the tahini mixture. Begin blending, and as it processes, slowly drizzle in 2 to 4 tablespoons of cold water. This helps achieve that signature creamy texture. Continue blending for several minutes, scraping down the sides as needed, until your hummus is incredibly smooth and luxurious. Patience here truly pays off. Congratulations, your homemade hummus is now ready to enjoy. Carefully transfer the smooth, creamy hummus to a shallow serving bowl. Use the back of a spoon to create a beautiful swirl pattern on the surface. For the perfect finish, drizzle generously with about 2 tablespoons of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Finally, sprinkle with a dash of paprika, some fresh chopped parsley, or a few reserved whole chickpeas for an inviting presentation. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.